Hello, the Ball Chef, and today we're putting together some air-fried southern fried chicken. Now, this is going to be a great recipe. I've never tried it before, but I think I've got high hopes on this one. So let's get this thing going. As you can see, we're using kangen water. If you don't know what that is, it basically micro-clusters the water so that I can actually make iced tea without heating or boiling the water. Now, really what this recipe is about is some beautiful sweet tea fried chicken, but I just want to get back to the technology of this. So I've got the kangen water. I'm going to put a couple tea bags of green tea, and I chose the green tea for its antioxidant abilities, and it's going to make it, if you don't have this machine, you can certainly boil and make it your iced tea the old-fashioned way. There's no problem with that. This is just a little trick. And even when I go to put in my half cup of sugar, you might want to go to a full cup. I'm trying to stay away from sugar myself, but it dissolves simply right into that water like magic, and it's really pretty cool. Now, after you put the water in the ice box for about an hour and a half until it comes down to the same temperature as the chicken, I pour the entire container into the pot there, put that back in the ice box, and let it marinate for at least 6 hours. I use this kernel, Kentucky kernel, with all the crazy spices in it to batter up my chicken. I got a whole chicken. I'm going to do this in proportions, but we're just going to do 3 pieces because of the capacity of my air fryer. So I put the flour mixture onto the chicken, and I do that by just taking each single piece of chicken out of the pot, place another place to put my chicken on it after it's been battered up. I just roll that around into this famous Kentucky kernel with this funny spelling on kernel, with all the black pepper and cayenne and salt and all the 9 famous spices I guess the Colonel used. I guess this is the takeoff of Kentucky Fried Chicken's battering powder, or whatever you might want to call it. But it looked pretty good. It looked better than using just regular flour, so I thought I'd give this one a try. I've never used this product before, but I'll tell you, it looks like it's got some good stuff in it. So once I have all of my chicken thoroughly coated with flour, I'm going to take this over to my air fryer and place a drumette, chicken wing, and a thigh in there. We'll do that the first round. Spray this off with a liberal coating of Pam cooking spray, and that is going to help in the frying process. Close the lid on this. I went 25 minutes at 390 degrees, and really came out quite good at that temperature. There's some great looking fried chicken. Easy, easy, easy. Let's give this stuff a bite and see how it tastes. Very, very crunchy on the outside. And the leg I just bit into had probably some of the most tender chicken I've ever tasted. I recommend this recipe to folks out there. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, have a bon appetit.